How to reset an Android phone. Hard reset usually means if you forgot your password or PIN, you want to hard reset it using your recovery mode. Now, because this is dependent upon each and every Android, I cannot cover them for this. The other way to hard reset your Android phone is also factory resetting your phone, which is basically going to delete each and everything. So what we do is first we open up settings on our Android phone. Tap on the search bar and search for something like reset, because when you search for something like reset, you'll find the reset settings. Because every Android has a setting hidden inside different menu, it might be difficult for you to find it. Simple way, just use the search bar. Now you go to the reset button there you see and scroll down and look for reset and tap on it. Scroll down and select factory data reset. It says that reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. Once you've done that, scroll down and confirm your reset process and your phone will be successfully factory or hard resetted to the factory version. So I hope the video helps you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.